Jahnavi Rajendran from Bangalore is a bike rider. With a deep sense of gratitude and love for her belated father, she hit the road on 21st May 2023 to pay tribute to him on his bike CT100, which he had gifted him when he was alive. Talking to Daily Sala, she said she's a solo rider and has been riding bike for 5 to 6 years now. And she's from a Tamil family and wants to strengthen her roots and hence covered 38 districts, 3,500 kilometers approximately in 15 days in Tamil Nadu, visiting temples. The solo rider said as a woman, she felt safe while covering the Tamil Nadu districts. She quit her previous job a year and a half ago and now works for a startup company as a freelancer. She is also a tutor for teaching women ride bikes. Her passion is to do a cross-country ride someday. She said not to misuse law and to use proper gears for self-safety. June 5th is World Environmental Day. Jahnavi Rajendran, who is a frequent traveler and a rider, gave an important message. She said, use your own water bottle and avoid plastic as much as you can.
Yes, of course, my experience, it was all safe. And I also felt scared because crossing from one district to other district, it was not the highway. It is all about the country roads. And it is so difficult for me to find the shops and also to take a pit stop. Even when I'm feeling thirsty or when I want to drink something, I couldn't find any shops. And even stopping in middle of road, and I don't feel it as a safe. So that was a really big challenge. So I used to control myself and go and reach the safest place. Again, choosing the place to stop is again another big challenge. I used to choose, okay, I just go with my instinct whether this is safe or no. And many people wondered when I remove my helmet and ask something, then they will tell, oh, are you a woman? Okay, I thought you are a man with all the gears. So that's how they tell, okay, be safe, don't ride in the night. So they give lot of advices, and I don't do the night rides. I was just riding from 6 to 6. I was working for the startup companies and I left my job 1.5 years back, and I had quite savings, and also I have the savings in my PF amount, and I do freelancing work for startup companies. So that's how my source of income, and I do teach women how to ride a bike, and that also helps me for my expenses. So I started my journey 4-5 years back. I just wanted to just learn the bike and go for just one ride, but I never thought I gonna be doing the solo rides. And my next plan is to cover all India and also cross country, out of country, and teach maximum women to ride a bike and just go solo rides instead of like group rides. They can go solo and experience. There will be a challenges, but still it's gonna be a very big change in their life, like a self-transformation. It's just the small steps that I have taken when it comes to a water bottle, about the plastic as well. So I carried my own water bottle for this entire ride. And in this 15 days, even though it was like heat, I did not purchase any plastic bottles. I used to just refill going to any hotels or any shops. I used to refill. So in that case, maybe I did a small part of maybe using the plastic. The small steps can take a huge difference.